going into how drones are being used today, less so of concepts for how I think they should still be used and by and large are not still being used, mostly because of bureaucracy and people not wanting to take advantage of new technology because it's new, not proven, unsafe, whatever the case may be. Let me show you guys this video of how drones are being used in tornadoes. Preface, like these drones again specifically designed to fly and operate at higher speeds, higher wind speeds than what like the typical drone is. To give you a reference, the drones that we have here, they can sustain 25 to 30 mile per hour winds pretty comfortably. Anything above that, you'll probably want to make the decision not to fly. But you guys have probably seen racing drones that follow like F1 cars or whatever, and some of those can actually even accelerate faster than an F1 car and go 200 miles per hour or more in some cases. And of course, there's jet-powered drones, just like you would have planes, but less usable, less disposable for these sort of applications. And it's kind of like in the military as well. They're starting to get away more and more from the big, expensive drone, like kind of enterprise systems, more towards the smaller $1,000, $2,000 systems, because even if your $1,000, $2,000 drone breaks, you have 9,999 more of them for the price of one of the larger, more traditional military drones that were being used previously. And it's a lot easier to take down one drone, no matter the size, versus 10,000, even if they're much smaller in size.